Hey guys, Sylwia here and welcome all to my 5-minute fortune review. So this is the newest launch from the desk of Dave Espino and Jeremy Kennedy. It is going live today on the 20th of October at 10 a.m. New York time. So here I have the members area. So I'll guys show you around. Oh, sorry, no, that's not the members area. They actually look so alike. There you go. This is the members area and this is the sales page. So what's gonna happen? You'll click that link below my review, go to my written review, read all about it, and decide whether this is for you or not. Take a look at my splendid bonuses. Now guys, I have been working hard yesterday and the day before to create these bonuses for you. They're all custom made, nowhere else to be found. I'm gonna talk about my bonuses a bit more because they're quite something. These are the tools I use for my own business. So now I give you access to them as well if you pick up this product via my written review. So go smash this buy now and then you will be redirected to the sales page that I confuse with the members area. So listen to Dave and Jeremy, a simple, beautiful look of Jeremy Kennedy's style of, delivering sales pages, members area and all of that. This is the king of simplicity. I appreciated a lot about him, you see. That's it. Just some proofs. And, well, they have teamed up together because Jeremy has really, as he discloses really, in the overview video, which is really, do I overuse the word really? I might. Really. So he admits that he had some catching up to do when it comes to this method of making money. And why is it called 5-minute fortune? Because the tools you will be building and making money with take pretty much 5 minutes to set up, or a bit more if you want to put more thought into it, okay? I know, and I'm talking about custom GPTs, guys, okay? Now, why did I say that Jeremy had some catching up to do? Because Dave Espino has been making money by selling custom GPTs that he's been programming, training, putting his experience and knowledge into it. Well, I recall him saying that the first GPT he created was by actually feeding that GPT as he was, setting it up with the book, with the content of the book. What was it called? I have it at home, actually. I love that book. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, right? And then, he made some tweaks to it. He gave that GPT a little very interesting tweak from the internet marketing perspective. And, that GPT, it is sort of like, it's like having access to ChatGPT, but ChatGPT is generic, okay? And those custom GPTs, people love them because they have been trained and programmed to deliver specific to do specific tasks, okay? And with my bonuses, guys, also, the first two, the pre-seller Report Genie is a custom GPT that I trained, I use, I give you access to now as well if you pick up this product via my link, the 5-minute fortune, which will create you just feed it sales page. Is going to spit out an amazing free report that you can sort of like copy and paste into Google Doc. That's what I do. You can turn it into a PDF if you want, and that's your pre-seller report, sort of like a review, instead of like having to buy the domain and hosting your reviews on a website. You can by all means use Google Docs rank very well as well. So do PDFs, if you make them publicly available. So this is my first bonus. The other one is called Thumbstop Prompt Studio. Let me just prove to you, that this is custom GPT. The first one, you see, okay? So I would have to sign up, but this one is a custom GPT that you get from me, and the Report Genie as well is a custom GPT that's been set up by me. So it looks like a genie as well. The second one is going to create scroll stopping thumbnails. Look at my thumbnails, how I've been creating them for quite some time now, for a few weeks. They're different to what I used to do. I used to use Canva. Now I don't anymore. I just use that GPT that I trained And I use a tool for generating my thumbnails called rev.com. Amazing tool. You can use leonardo.ai as well, which is, very generous when it comes to free access, free daily access. You get up to 150 credits, I believe. First free bonuses I have never offered before because I've been working for the last 2 days on creating them. I mean, like the first two I've been using myself, but over the last 2 days, I turned them into GPTs after having gone through the members area, after having gone through the training of 5 Minute Fortune and just realized, my goodness, how ridiculously easy and simple that is. But the power behind it is just enormous, like we don't need to overcomplicate things. The beauty and the power always lies in simplicity and executing it, implementing it. This is the main, the method is simple, but if we do nothing about it, nothing is going to come out of it, right? It's really as simple as that. So let me show you the members area. Right, so the first video, which is about 10-15 minutes long, they talk about this method. There's a lot of feedback from Dave, a lot of experience and really wisdom, internet marketing wisdom that he shares. And he says over and over again, do not overcomplicate stuff, because I have made money with these custom GPTs, tons of money by selling them, so that's that. And people love them because they're so useful. I love my own custom GPT so much now as well. Right. Module number 2 is from Jeremy Kennedy, and Jeremy Kennedy is showing you really how to set it up in 5 minutes. He goes a little bit beyond that because he does the talking, and Jeremy, is very, very chatty. But yeah, you can, that's amazing. That's powerful. Here you get access to the GPT Factory. So that trained by Dave Espino, custom GPT. You see, the GPT Factory is a custom GPT builder that builds you and helps you monetize your custom GPTs. So not only will it lead you through how to set up your own custom GPT step by step, but it will also give you some amazing ideas on how to monetize them. Or it depends on how many you will create. Right, and then in module 3, Jeremy goes into some advanced settings when it comes to creating custom GPTs. Then there's another video on where he goes into how to configure everything together. So it's really the way he does it. It's not complicated, guys, but it's what I appreciate most about these videos is how Jeremy Kennedy's brainstorming. And it sounds simple and easy for him, but for people who haven't heard of custom GPTs or who are not so much aware of it. And guys, I want you to think of this training course as something that, you should implement and sell or offer as bonuses and introduce, or lead magnets, amazing lead magnets, right, into the world that has not heard of, has been sort of out of touch still when it comes to AI, the power of AI, because for them it's going to be what? Custom made assistants that can deliver this and that for us just like that, for a lot of people that would be a novelty. So just because you know about it or you may know about it, do not assume that the rest of the world is like that. So yeah. This is good. This is very good. Also 10 different ways to monetize. That's module number 5. Conclusion. Here you get access to the guide to profiting with GPTs. So a simple guide, 7 pages long, more like a checklist to the point, but it keeps you in check. Sort of did I follow through? It's always nice to have that sort of checklist. Unannounced bonuses, the black box agency blueprint. This is something that Dave launched a while ago, not so long ago, pretty recently actually, but you get it for free. It's also another custom GPT that comes with an extensive, exhaustive PDF on how to make money with, GPTs. And here you get access to Jeremy's custom GPT called Pick My Niche GPT. And then another, so helps you to sort of narrow down and focus on a smaller niche, not so wide open, because if it's too big of a niche, you will not find traffic for it because it might be already too you know, like oversaturated, and you, when you're starting, you want to niche down, you want to go for something that's not as popular, but the search volume is relatively high, sort of medium high. So you want to find a sweet balance. And there's another GPT you get access to with this product, with the front end alone, that generates affiliate emails, social posts, headlines, benefit bullets, and bonus ideas for any sales page. So again, you put in the sales page and voila, this one is from Jeremy Kennedy as well. So guys, that's that. Okay, here are some OTOs. You will find information about the OTOs in my written review. Please check them out. The front end is $17. Now, I don't have more information sort of about the OTOs, but the titles, the names of them are pretty self-explanatory. So I don't believe we need a description of it. You know, it tells you what it is. So consider those as well. And again, read about my bonuses. I've already talked about them really, so I'm not going to repeat myself again. These bonuses are super precious. They're my own personal GPTs, guys. So I'll be removing them once the launch is finito. Okay, once the launch is over, I would have to double check how long is the launch, 5-7 days maybe. But once it's over, I'll be removing the bonuses. So the time to get it is now, if that's for you. If you want to tap into something that sells like hot cross buns, sells well, makes sense, it's super useful and simple to set up, well, then that's the product for you. Right, guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye.